Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 1. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 1. Alright you all, let's go ahead and get this started. Now my man DW is back in the building. He made the cut for Triple Play Saturday, and I'm telling you, this watch face is definitely worth its weight in gold. The name of this watch face is called DW39. It looks good, very unique, it stands out, and in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. But when the watch face is on, I'm loving the layout. I like that you get all your step status info at the top. Like, you're going to get battery, going to get your goal completed, heart rate, floors climbed, miles walked or ran, and your steps. You come down, you're going to get a moon phase, going to get your digital time, it's going to be in 12 and or 24 hours. You also get seconds, and you're going to get the day of the week as well as the date. And then you're going to get how many days you're into the year as well as the weeks. And you do get settings, so if you need to tweak your smartwatch, you can do that at will. And come down, you're going to be able to make a phone call. I'm loving that fact. Quick phone call is always welcome. And my favorite out of all of them is going to be the fact that you get what is called an app switcher. So if you want to set a favorite, you can set a favorite. I'm loving this one. Tap in the middle. This is what it's going to look like if I can get it to go. And you get your alarm, you got your contacts, email. You can set whatever you want to set. Just tap on it and that'll set it. And all you have to do is just single tap and it'll come right up. Also, it is interactive, so if I tap here, I can get my calendar. If I tap here, I can get more of my step status, calories burned, things of that nature. And if I want to customize the color, double tap on the seconds, and I can customize the color. It gives you a few in all, and they all look good. I thought he did a great job with this watch face, and I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up in the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.